Hi everybody. In this video we're going to talk a little bit about extending or mirroring settings on monitors. So this is handy if you have multiple monitors or if you're in a conference room and you're trying to hook your laptop up to a projector to show a presentation. So the first thing we can do is once you've plugged your monitor into your computer, and this can be either a desktop or a laptop, one thing you might find is that both monitors are displaying the same image. So what you can do if that is the case, right click anywhere on the desktop and go to display settings. That's going to bring up this screen here. So you can see that I have my monitor. I have three monitors on this computer, 1, 2, and 3. If I hit identify, it's going to tell me which monitor I'm on. So this monitor is monitor number 1. So as long as I can look and see that to my left I have monitor number 2, to my right I have monitor number 3, then the computer's monitor orientation is going to match the real world orientation, and I will be able to drag my windows where they should go. One thing you may find is that this setting here, multiple displays, might be set to duplicate displays or mirroring. What that does is that shows the same image on both screens. That's handy if you want if you have your presentation on a laptop and you want everyone to see the laptop on a or see your screen on a TV in a conference room, let's say. So that can be handy for that. But if you want those screens to be different, then you would want to set this to extend the desktop to this display and not to duplicate anything. There's a handy shortcut for this. If you hold the Windows button and hit P for Projector, that will actually bring up this screen here. You can see I can set it to the PC screen only, duplicate so it shows the same image on both, or extend so it shows different images on both. Or I can go to the second screen only if that's something that I want to do as well. This is also how you would connect to a wireless display. These aren't terribly common, but this is what you would click in order to connect to anything wirelessly. And that's all that you'll need to get yourself connected to monitors for presentations.